Any major gaps?
Well, Glenn, do you really know Italian?
Sì, parlo italiano.
Come stai oggi?
Ah, bene, ma ho fame.
Tutto bene?
Tutto bene, grazie, grazie mille.
Perfect. Perfect time to start the live stream. Everybody's gonna think they're on the wrong fucking channel.
What the fuck is this?
It's been a ton of snow calls coming in today.
Yeah.
Yeah, in
We're
Italian
thinking
it's
that it's finally,
vaffanculo.
finally bottomed.
Fanculo, borsa di merda. It's so easy to entertain Caesar. Have you noticed?
I know, right? All you need to do is
He's
tell
high as a
foreign
kite
curse
most of the
words.
time, so.
All you gotta
just
do is
swear
speak a
words
different
and foreign
language.
languages.
Either
Just
that
give
or
him
just
a-
drop a that's what she said joke and Steve loves those.
It's too easy.
It's like a baby with keys.
Too easy. That's clueless. Too easy. That's what she said.
Oh, man.
I think I'm gonna hold these cues overnight. I think there's continuation in the cards. What do you guys think? Would you hold?
I think we continue to move up.
Just depends
is
on your
there, like-
entry, really. If you got good profit in it, just hold it. You got a cushion.
Yeah, I'm like 20% in profit, something like that.
Come vanno i tuoi soldi oggi?
How's Roblox doing? They IPO'd recently.
I got some. I'm 4% in profit. I made 31 bucks.
Not doing
got
too
10
bad. It's
shares.
almost 73. It has no volume though.
I still don't know what they do. I just picked up some 10 shares and just let it lie.
It's just
in
a
case.
super popular like online kids game.
It's like Club Penguin.
No, it's way
Yeah, I
better.
don't know.
It's not a game. It's a platform that you can make games on.
That sounds pretty cool.
No, it is a
like,
game.
Well, they have games on the platform, but you can make the
they do.
games into
It's
more
like
advanced.
a world. It's like a virtual world, and then you can do whatever you want with that.
Like Minecraft.
Yeah, you build off
like
of the
Minecraft,
platforms that they have, and then you can build like your own shit off of it, basically. Yeah.
All right.
They practically just stole Little Planet's idea, and then yeah, they went with that.
Well, I ordered Lebanese food for Power Hour.
What'd you get?
Shawarma, hummus, and kibbeh.
It's kind of Jewish.
Oh,
food,
you'll be
too,
stuck
man.
on the toilet.
The what?
That's kind of Jewish food.
Prepare to be saturated.
I hate Jewish food, and no, Arab food doesn't make you go to the toilet. It's not Chipotle. It's amazing food.
Yeah, like
You
halal
never had?
guys.
You never had Arabic food?
No, I
Out
have.
of this world. The suckiest thing about this COVID thing is that the thing we love to eat most here is the bistrot, you know, the classic French shit that I don't know how to make, which is too complicated with like butter and wine and cream and the sauce and everything. So I used to eat it outside, but I haven't eaten it in a year because everything's shut.
I want to go to France and like sit out like by one of those little cafes and like have a little coffee sitting on the street and just smoke like 1,000 cigarettes. Like that's like one of my dreams.
I was gonna say you have to
that's my life,
smoke a fucking pack in one coffee sit.
Yeah.
Dude, that's my life. I live in the Marais district, like in the middle of Paris, and that's what we do all day. That's, by the way, all my friends are pissed at me that I'm trading now because I'm too busy to do just that.
They love cigarettes.
Do you smoke like 300 cigarettes per coffee?
No, I quit years ago because I almost got cancer, but then I did get other cancer.
But you did you smoke 300 cigarettes per coffee?
Yeah, easy. When I was a student, dude, fucking 60% of my budget monthly went to fucking Gauloise cigarettes. Then I went to Marlboro's, almost died.
60%. Jesus Christ, guy.
When in Rome, or when in Paris, actually.
The river cruise.
Bro, if you guys want to lose y'all shit, all y'all just gotta do is come to Florida, go to Orlando, hop on International fucking Drive. I mean the I-4, and you
What are we talking about, Johnny?
instant get pissed because people can't drive over here.
How's the massage parlor going?
John, you got the exfoliating mask on today? Spa, get another massage, man. Dude, I had this lady's hands must have been fucking numb, dude, when she was done. Her
Beating your
hands probably
ass?
went fucking, yeah, dude. Her hands were fucking ready to fall off. Dude, this one time we were in Vegas, one of my buddies literally went to this massage parlor across the street from the hotel, and it wasn't even a rub and tug. It was just like a normal massage parlor. Dude, he had like a 3.5 hour foot massage, dude. I felt bad for this fucking lady. Because he called us up. He's like, yeah, I'm wrapping up. You want to come back over here to meet us for lunch or meet him for lunch? And we walked back over there, and he was like paying the bill, on the way out.
What is he? Was he allowed to ask for a 3.5 hour fucking foot massage?
Dude, he must have just kept on adding, like just, as time's going on. Because
Jesus.
usually I don't think they allow that. That lady had to be in pain for like a week.
Here's your $5 tip.
Yeah,
You
like,
guys remember in Sopranos when that guy, that waiter was like, they gave him like a $10 tip on like $2,500 food, and they ended up knocking the dude out with a brick.
yeah,
Check out Baba.
I want to watch that again, man. I was fucking laughing when I was posting that scene in chat over the weekend, dude. That's the best
I've
scene
seen
in
that
movie.
scene. It's not bad.
Was it?
When he's talking about
Oh,
when they're eating
shoelace.
dinner, he's talking about the shoelaces. It's like it migrates from the soul up, my friend. What does he say? Like,
He was asking
you
him,
can go
why
to-
are your
you can go
shoelaces
to-
always wet?
Yeah, so you can go to the ladies, John. You can eat off the floor. There's some exceptions.
When they all get surprised or something dramatic happens, they're all like, "Oh!"
That's how my family is.
Look at this
Nah, I was
flat
just-
top on PLTR. Fucking 1 minute.
I just remember when they knocked that dude out. He's all like wigging out or like having a seizure or something because they hit him in the head with a brick. He's like, "What the fuck's wrong with this asshole?" I don't know. He must have not taken his medicine.
Yeah, Mucky, the clocks went back an hour in the US.
Do you remember when the daughter brings home that one guy that he's
Oh
he's
yeah,
half
yeah,
black, half white?
yeah, yeah.
That's another funny fucking scene. It's funny because
They
all the
killed-
words they say in that is like that's exactly how my family talks.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Like
know
they
exactly
did
what
such
you're
a
talking
good
about.
job with that show, dude, to make it like realistic. That's why it's so good.
I still laugh at the wedding scene where he's like, "Allegra, goes, isn't that a cold medicine?" He goes, "No, it means happiness in Italian." He's like, "Oh really? Well, what the fuck does that got to do with cold medicine?" Like they just say some off the wall shit that makes no sense. It's so funny.
You know, it's a boring trading day when my heart rate got down to 56 today. Sitting here watching charts.
Falling asleep over there.
Yeah, pretty much.
You know, they say it was a meteor who killed the dinosaurs. What the hell do you care? We're all meat eaters. You remember that scene? When they're eating at the restaurant, he said meteor, and he's like, "What the hell do you care? We're all meat eaters. Meteors, meteors." There's so much funny shit in that show, man. I could rewatch it over. I bought the whole DVD set back before Blu-rays of every single season. I used to rewatch it over and over again.
One minute PLTR has a beautiful ascending triangle.
Wow, the 1 minute.
My chart is freezing, damn it. Probably has it on the 5 minute too. Yeah, it's on the 5 minute too.
Nasdaq looks great.
5 minutes actually cleaner.
See, remember when they're inside that little cafe and he's like, how do we let him get away with this? I mean, all this Italian shit.
Oh yeah. This is the worst. This espresso shit.
Fucking pizza.
Cappuccinos.
But it's like, these cocksuckers are taking advantage of it.
And he steals the fucking thing. He took like a coffee thing and stole it.
Yeah, look at this. This is like the ticker that I made on TradingView to look at like the hospitality travel sector. Boeing, Win, and CCL thing is vertical.
Like an ad for a weight loss center. Before and way before. When it was Bobby Bacala and Vito standing next to each other.
The PLTR looks like it wants to explode.
For it.
Please
How
do.
many times did Paulie literally this dude would repeat his jokes and then be like, "You hear what I said, Tone?"
67 times. I watched the show 5 times.
Dude, yeah, this thing is just trading sideways the whole fucking day.
Which one?
Bro,
PLTR.
look at fucking Roku. Roku's been sideways the whole day, whole entire day. Still at 359.
Should have sold that pop on Sono this morning. It's faded off the whole day. Thing ripped and then just came down.
You're not gonna believe this, Chrissy. He killed 16 Czechoslovakians. The guy was an interior decorator. Well, his house looked like shit.
Stupid.
Oh my god, that Russian dude. Tony told him he was part of the interior ministry. He said he was an interior decorator. Well, his house looked like shit.
Hey, Deja,
What's up?
what happens if I carry over a negative margin balance from day to day?
They will close your positions for you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
It depends on the broker, but typically no brokers will let you go into the end of the day negative. They will close your positions.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I've never been margin called, so I'm not sure in what order they close them. I'm guessing they close your first ones first, like whatever positions you held the longest. But I'm not entirely sure. I always avoid margin calls by just depositing more money.
They don't just because it says margin balance subject to interest. They don't just charge you interest.
Remember,
Are you all out of buying power and you're negative?
Day not for day trading buying power, but like I have more in positions than I do cash deposited.
That's fine for. Is it all options or is it stocks too?
Mostly shares, probably like 90%.
If it's shares, you're allowed to have 2x leverage. So as long as you're not over 2x your account, you won't be margin called.
Okay.
Your broker should allow you to have 2x leverage. So like if you have a $10,000 account, you can have $20,000 in positions. But if you go $20,001, then you're going to get margin called.
Gotcha.
Oh, so that's what a margin call is. Okay.
Yeah, margin calls when they need you to deposit money or they're going to close your positions.
There's also the margin maintenance amount.
Yeah, that you usually don't
Every
have to worry
broker
about.
is different. That'll usually happen if the value goes down enough to where you don't have the maintenance to.
Yeah, you usually don't have to worry about that.
Hey, JMA.
Oh, okay, it says that they don't charge interest on margin balances until trades settle. And the maintenance requirement is the amount of equity needed to hold marginable positions, and I'm over that.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah,
but
I got.
if I hold, say, like for example, account is like 50,000 in it, and 12,000 extra would be subject to interest. If I hold that 12,000 extra overnight, I'm going to be charged interest on that,
Yep.
but not closed.
Jimmy.
You'll only close your positions if you're under the maintenance margin.
Right, which I'm not.
Yep.
Subsidies.
Wes Caldwell.
What?
Wes Caldwell. It's Wes Caldwell. Remember the Korean guy?
I don't remember that scene.
When Tony B is putting his massage parlor in the West Caldwell Shopping Center.
Season 5.
Yeah, and he has that Korean boss.
Yeah, cousin Tony Blondetto.
Yeah.
Damn, you memorized the seasons that the scenes are in?
Everything.
Yeah,
I watched it. This is the best TV show of all time, The Sopranos.
I've seen it so many times. Yeah, it's season 5.
Only like the first 3 seasons are like really good though.
Blasphemy.
I don't know. Season
All of it
4 and
is amazing.
5 were good. Season 6 was good.
All of
It's
it was
okay,
good.
but it's
I'm gonna
not
get my food, but all of it was good.
And then the guy's Korean, and he's like, I don't know. Word to the wise, remember Pearl Harbor. The guy's Korean. And the guy would just he couldn't say Wes Caldwell. He said Wes Caldwell.
15-minute ES is a triple top. Perfect triple top, almost to the tick.
Is that bearish?
Typically, but it looks like a bulldog. If you look at the 1 hour, it's like a camel. As long as this pullback is shallow, it should rip.
Triple top.
What's
right
that?
Into that? Right, it is a triple top right into that auto SR.
Yeah, literally like to the tick. I haven't seen The Sopranos, Mucky.
What?
Haven't seen it.
Holy fuck.
Wasn't a big fan of long ass running shows like that back in the day.
Dude, it's like literally the fucking show that paved the way for like all the shows that are out now. That was like the first like mainstream like series.
Wasn't it on wasn't it on HBO?
HBO.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was HBO.
Watch
And-
that, Deja. You'll like. Do you like the Italian mob movies,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Goodfellas and all that? Watch it. You'll love
It's
it.
a whole TV series.
You gotta watch it, Deja. That's homework for you the next couple of nights.
HBO had some good shows before it, but it really blew up after The Sopranos. As far as making TV shows.
The
Isn't
Wire
there like
was
fucking
next.
20 seasons?
Bruh, Entourage was the shit.
Entourage was really good.
Entourage came after Sopranos.
Yeah, watch it, Deja. You'll really like it.
Dude, when Ari goes off on the Asian guy, his assistant, fucking shit is hilarious, dude.
When he's like, if that doesn't happen, we're all gonna be fucked. And not the
Lloyd.
kind of way that you like to get fucked.
Turtle had like a
Lloyd.
fucking transformation and shit in the end of the seasons.
Yeah, the dude lost a lot of weight.
Hella fucking
Oh,
weight.
Turtle, yeah.
When they run into Chuck Liddell. Remember that episode?
One thing about selling premium, man, it puts you to sleep.
It's like betting the under.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah, nothing happened. Yeah.
Fucking boring,
Life's too
dude.
short to bet the under.
I'm making money, but I'm bored.
Just gotta do something else.
I bet the under in the Super Bowl one.
Yeah, what a fucking boring last few quarters. It worked for me though. I won the squares. I needed nothing to
And
happen, and nothing happened.
I only won because
At least you know it's not a crowded trade. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I saw a statistic where like only one Super Bowl in like the last 20 years had gone over as far as the betting odds, and it was the one that went into overtime with Tom Brady. I was like, so pretty good chance it may not go over.
You guys
'Cause
see where the where Facebook failed today? It does not like this fucking trend line.
I think the over under was like 64 or something crazy like that.
Without saying anything, I bet you it was 277.
Pretty much 276, 277.
Bro, this has been rejected like
I
over
know
2 months.
he always asked me like, what are the levels on Facebook, and then it was the same level for like fucking 6 months.
Yeah, bro, this is not changing, bro.
I just added to my NNDM position.
Oh, Deja, what do you think about FedEx?
It didn't like that pivot, that target that I've been giving you guys for a while, 272.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at because it's down so much today.
Yeah, it didn't like it until it holds above 272. I wouldn't touch it.
Hey, Kith, what do you think about Liverpool and Wolves?
You see where
Think
NNDM is failing on the daily, Jamie?
Yeah.
Fucking
Pivot.
right on that pivot.
Look at the V fucking reversal.
Yeah, the V is nice. The weekly close was disgustingly good.
It'll break through that shit. Give it a day or two. All my stuff is dated, so
Yeah. No, it's the same thing with PLTR. It's sitting on that pivot too.
a lot of charts are like that.
Just waiting for it to break. Yeah, these are all the pivots that we were bouncing off of that just fucking died. PLTR failed downward out of that triangle.
Oh fuck.
PLTR has so much resistance in this area.
PLTR, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I'm just selling
I was about
puts.
to say-
If it wants to fucking go sideways and pay me, sure, I'll take it.
PLTR is fucking king of resistance.
Kathy's dumping on us. Has she actually sold anything? I don't think she has.
No, bro. Last time when PLTR went like kind of like almost vertical, like a couple days back, she bought more on the day.
Yeah, I think
Fucking ramped the fuck up.
I think she's gonna keep buying.
Yeah,
She's been buying it.
Yo, look at Will Mead's tweet on KPMH. He just moved that stock like crazy.
KBMH.
Hey, did you guys know that?
KPMH.
You guys know that ARK has a fund in like Japan, I think, that mirrors all of their buys.
Like a hedge fund? Oh, yeah, sorry, that sounded weird. But are they hedging against their own fund?
No, they're mirroring all the buys. So like if you count them with ARK, they own like a lot bigger percentages of these companies than you think they would.
Oh wow.
You mean mirroring in the exact way, like they buy?
Yeah, like they just copy all of the trades.
Who does that?
I forget the name of it, but it's a
What
it's a
fucking SoftBank?
no, it's a fund in Japan, I think. So basically, like it's kind of a way of like getting around like, oh, you know, the limits on how much of the company they own. Like they own like 10 to 20% of some of these e-liquid names if you count that other fund.
But are they actually owned by ARK?
They're not owned, but
They
they're
can't
like
be
No, they're
obviously
just copying
in
all their plays.
connection. You know.
Yeah. I mean, maybe that fund
Kinda
has no.
shady.
Maybe that fund has no connection. They just want to follow them because they think they're good.
Bro,
No, they do.
it almost sounds like fucking SoftBank, to be honest. SoftBank is the only one that really keeps up with tech like that. Like SoftBank always really been like heavy into tech.
Yeah, until they got
Shit.
massacred buying all those fucking options.
Shit, last year, hey, you think they got massacred? Do you not know how the amount of money? Remember last year when like
Yeah, I know they
tech
put in
went
billions.
vertical,
Their biggest option flow I've ever seen in my life.
bro, they were buying out of the money, and the out of the money wasn't even out the money anymore. Like they were doing massive buys, bro. SoftBank practically scammed the whole entire U.S. market.
SoftBank's biggest loss was on WeWork.
Was it? Yeah, WeWork got hit.
What happened to WeWork?
What was that?
I said, whatever happened to WeWork?
Their debt outstanding in the pandemic pretty much just fucking cut their valuation in like a quarter, I think.
Yeah, I mean, no one, like, the pandemic hit and no one had to go use their services.
And Newman, their CEO, was a wild spender. Like they had a private jet under their fucking asset book on their books. They had a helicopter. They had like all this lavish shit, and they're just like, dude, what the fuck are you doing? And that's why they couldn't get a
He's an
unicorn
Israeli scammer
valuation.
from a kibbutz. This
What?
guy's an Israeli scam. He's an Israeli scammer from the kibbutz.
Who is?
Yeah, no, this dude basically he scammed SoftBank.
So
into
we got
giving
a
him all
couple.
this.
We have a couple holidays that I don't know if it's gonna affect the markets or not, but like St. Patrick's Day and also like in the weekend or like next week or something is an Indian holiday, Holi. So I don't know if that's gonna affect the markets. I don't know if I gotta check out if the markets is open at that holiday. I think it's a big holiday for them.
Yeah, St. Patrick's Day won't matter to the markets.
No, it's not even close or anything.
The brokers will go to drink at 4:15 instead of 4:30, and that's the only difference.
Yeah, maybe a little less volume on the closing candle.
Fuck
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
There's not one holiday that has not failed to be bearish. Every fucking holiday we had has been bearish. Like,
Well, St.
really
Patty's Day will be
bearish.
bullish. They'll forget to sell. They'll be so fucking drunk.
Bro, that would be funny if it's actually green because of, yeah, lucky.
But it's not really a holiday, is it?
Yeah,
It's a holiday for us. You're Irish. Or
No, I
Italian.
mean,
Or
I'm
Italian.
saying no. I'm saying no.
Nothing shut down for.
We just need a reason to drink. That's it.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm a drunk too. I live in Paris. Why do you think I'm here for the traffic? I get it, but I'm saying they don't. It's not a bank holiday.
Not a government holiday, no.
Oh no, but America.
Unless you work for the government, then you don't show up.
No, I've never been to America.
Tyson Fury just signed to fight Anthony Joshua.
Who did?
It's America.
Fights actually. Fury and Joshua have signed a deal to fight each other.
That should be a good fight.
Oh, that'll be a good.
I don't know why they signed for 2 fights. That's weird. Because like, what happens if somebody gets destroyed? Like, who the fuck wants to see it again?
Let's be real. Like, Fury's gonna beat the crap out of Joshua.
Didn't Fury look really good in his last fight?
Looked amazing, and he's looked amazing ever since.
He got fat though. He put on a lot of weight. No, he put on a lot of weight in the last like 6 months though. If you see him on like Instagram and shit, he's got to get his ass in shape. Yeah.
Well, he's a big guy too, but yeah,
he'll never be a skinny jacked, heavyweight with fucking abs. That's just not the guy he is.
He can move. That's what's so crazy.
Yeah, he's got really good defensive.
Move is nuts.
Fury's legacy will always be intact because he's the guy who shut down the Klitschko fucking legacy.
Oh yeah, I mean, dude, he's a great fighter. Honestly, like.
And Wilder was a beast until he fought Fury.
Yeah, man.
The Klitschkos ran that fucking division for how many years? Like a decade?
Yeah, 8 years plus, so probably a decade, yeah.
And then Fury finally took it out.
The thing is, like, it is sort of like no big deal because by the time he won, Klitschko was 41 years old. Like,
no, I know Klitschko was on his way out. Like, he was on his way out anyway.
But like, it was just time for him to lose.
His brother
You don't
left
stand-
because of politics, and then he
you
was
don't
getting
really
ready to
stay on
leave pretty
top of a
soon.
fight game like that. It's really unusual.
We haven't had someone unify all the titles until now. The last time before was Lennox Lewis, right?
I think so, yeah.
One man held the most of major titles.
Why? Who unified him now?
I wouldn't be totally shocked if Joshua won, to be honest with you. I think he might surprise us, and he's going to look better than he did against, little chubby Mexican guy who's hilariously adorable.
What are you saying? If Joshua wins, he
Ruiz.
unifies the titles?
Not Ruiz.
No, I'm saying Tyson Fury has won all the major heavyweight titles, and before then, the last guy who held or had won the majority of them was Lennox Lewis.
Gotcha.
It's for the Klitschko's. There were two brothers.
Yeah.
Who held the titles.
Yeah, they wouldn't fight each other.
I think Tyson Fury had the WBC ring, WBA, IBF, all those big ones.
AMC announced they're reopening a bunch of locations in California.
Is it running again?
Send it to 20.
It's trying to run a little bit. It's not doing much though.
I feel like is news really going to move this at this point? Yeah, that motherfucker's at $14. What?
Yeah, it's ripping, dude.
Send it to 17.
This tweet by Zero Heads is exactly what I said earlier. As more accusers come forward, he's gonna legalize more and more drugs.
That was funny.
I heard he's legalizing meth.
Yeah, it said number 11 is cocaine, 12 is heroin.
Dude, didn't they legalize everything in Portland or something?
Yeah, I think it was Oregon or something.
Vancouver.
Oh, I thought you were about
Vancouver,
to say
yeah.
Portugal.
Yeah, that should make things better.
They have controlled heroin. I mean, I don't know. I kind of want to hear Sticky or Dime's thoughts of this, but I'm pretty sure that it's helped their like heroin addict situations.
Like years ago, I remember going to Amsterdam, and that's what they were doing. The crackheads just walk around the street, and they're cool with everybody because they don't need a scheme on them.
They
'cause they're
have
always
it.
getting their crack.
It's in Italy, isn't it? Is it Italy or France?
It's reduced crime.
Yeah.
Switzerland too. You go to a controlled place from a doctor who gives you medical grade, do your stuff, and you're gone.
Yeah, and then I mean, you don't get overdoses and screwed up poisoning and like.
What country has it? It's Italy, right? It's everything is legal.
Oh, Portugal. That's Portugal.
Portugal. There you go.
Portugal. What Portugal did is they brought in all their like health experts and said, how do we, how can we fix this? And what they did is they decriminalized it all. I think you can still get a fine or something like that, but they decriminalized it all, and then the government backed the people. They made everybody not made, but they offered all the drug addicts rehabilitation programs. And if employers picked up somebody who was in the program, the government would cover part of their salary. Like they did a lot of stuff to rehabilitate the people, not just throw them in jail, which is something I think we should do here. They saw it as a health problem and not a criminal problem.
Yeah, pretty much. You can do everything you want except shave women. You can't do that. Yeah, it's in the law.
Are you serious or are you trolling?
I honestly
Did you
don't
say
know.
shave?
Yes.
There's just way too much money in lobbying and politics for something like what Portugal happened to happen here.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, let's be honest. They don't pass laws to help the people. Once in a while, the people might get some help when when it overlaps with their ability to like pay their people more than they should.
When does the Zack Snyder cut release?
In a few days. I think it's Friday.
I need to watch that.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch that too. It's 4 hours though, so be prepared.
Fine with me, man. I don't care.
Wait, the movie is 4 hours
It's a director's
Yeah.
cut.
Yeah.
of what?
It's Justice League. The director that they like.
But that movie sucked.
They like, yeah, but this is a different. It's like it's basically a different movie.
I'll probably watch it.
The story of
Yeah.
Justice League was like they had a director. He basically almost finished the entire movie, and then they completely scrapped it and fucking rebuilt it from the ground up.
I think it's worth note that Zack Snyder is 5'7". I don't know why Google said that when I Googled Zack Snyder. Actually, I was just surprised. I was like, that's weird.
Is that what the hourly's doing on PLTR? It's pretty bad.
Yeah. Does that look like a 5-minute chart?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It reclaimed the triangle, so it's a little fake
It's
out.
literally sideways all fucking
It
day.
hasn't done anything.
Love it.
This is perfect. Yeah, no, me and Chip are making money.
Smoochy, what is that? Well, like what indicator or whatever is that where the arrows are like a little green arrow?
That's
and a
the
little
auto
red arrow?
SR.
Why do I? Oh, that's the one that you guys never gave me.
The auto is. Are you monthly? What are you?
What's that?
Are you monthly or quarterly?
I have no idea. What does it matter?
It
I'll pay
does
you guys
matter.
for a
Yeah, that's
quarter. I
probably
don't
why.
give a shit. Yeah, why don't you tell me?
I don't know. You got to give me your email.
No. I think it's just. I think I just pay monthly.
Yeah, then you don't get that.
Oh, well, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Just pay for a quarter.
Quarterly, then I don't care.
The quarterly gets all the indicators. The monthly only gets the OTS.
That's
And
good.
if you sign up for quarterly, Deja will knit you a sweater too.
Exactly. Yeah.
And a
Chip, that
sweater.
was just for you, man. You can't be telling people that.
Just whenever you get a second or whatever, just send me the link so I can pay you guys for a quarter.
I
Gotcha.
didn't get a sweater.
Thanks. I'm like, what's that?
I ran out of material after Chip, dude.
Someone's got to make those.
Ran out of yarn.
Yeah, I ran out of yarn.
Big UFC fight. Justin Gaethje's gonna fight Michael Chandler, or well, it's in the works. They haven't signed it yet. That would be a good fight.
I like watching Gaethje fight.
Fuck
I
yeah,
was
and
really
Michael
hoping he'd
Chandler's
knock
tough
out
as fuck.
Khabib, but
Me too.
we knew it wasn't gonna happen.
Yeah, exactly. He's awesome though. Like his style is awesome.
That was like a
He's so
one
fucking
delta
fast.
fucking option straight. We wanted to see it, but we knew. I sent JMA $100 to put our what I think it was $100,
Yeah, it was 100.
and we lost our money.
Deja, keep an eye on AABB. It's starting to spike at the end here.
Is it ripping? Yeah.
Yo, USLT, these TQQQ calls lag like fuck, dude.
On the bright side, I made enough to pay for the moon cats I bought today.
Fucking mooncats.
I think I need to stop.
Dude, they have a $1,700 floor right now.
I want.
It seems like it's come down a little bit, like a little, because I found another one. It was like a 300 something, and they only wanted 1 Ethereum. But like by the time you're done with gas and everything, it's still like another $100.
So ridiculous.
Dude, those
I
fees are
want-
so fucking stupid, man.
Ethereum is shit. I fucking hate them.
It is so bad.
It's
Literally,
even
literally
understand,
you
like,
pay
the
like
other day-
25% of what you're sending.
dude. I literally spent to spend 1 Ethereum. I spent $93.
I want one of these Paul Jacksons so bad.
Me too. They're fucking sick. Got 4 accounts now. I hope I get one of these things.
When's the drop?
Today at 3 or 2 or 4 or something like that.
Sign up. Which one you guys going for?
All of them.
Oh, you can enter
going
the drawing on
for-
all of them, right?
Yeah,
I'm going for Paul Jackson.
Good. I don't give a fuck.
Paul Jackson, Nate Hill, locked and loading.
Chip, these will flip for sure, right?
I mean, dude, I
Yeah,
don't want to say for sure for anything, you know, but
A very, very high chance of flipping.
Very
I would
sure.
say so.
People seem
Oh.
excited on his Instagram. I just checked the Instagram and he just posted it, and like all the other artists are like, "Man, that's fucking sick," and everybody seemed pretty hyped on it. And he's only got like 26,000 followers.
The FTX guy is trying to work with Dave Portnoy. What?
You guys see the what?
Sam?
What do you think
Yeah,
about
look at
the-
that tweet I just posted.
That's fucking smart.
Dude, how does Portnoy have his hands in fucking everything?
Dude, Sam too.
He owns the internet right now.
Who's this guy?
That's Dave Portney, and that's the FTX guy. He owns FTX.
Oh wow.
Chip, what do you think about this Nick Van Hofwegen?
The fuck did you just say?
I can't look for a little bit.
Well, they're doing the packs like they did with Aoki.
It's because they're saying that what's it called, that FTX is going to get into sports betting.
Oh, I know, that'd
Dude,
be
that guy's
ridiculous.
brilliant. He's killing it. He's brilliant, bro.
They're
He
doing
is an
like
I don't know why
ideas
anybody-
entrepreneur.
Everyone
Like
needs
that's
to
what
buy
he is.
FTT.
He's not an execution entrepreneur. He's an ideas guy. He's like a Musk, but in a different realm.
Well,
completely.
he's like borderline autistic. Fucking, he's like a quant.
Idiot savant.
Yeah,
What
idiot savant.
quant?
There you go.
But I mean, that's
Wait.
what made him so successful. Is he just comes up with these ideas, and then he's got like Erica Narati, like the CEO. She has her right the ship and put people in a successful place for them to succeed. You know.
Yeah, but for him to succeed on another level, he has to go full force in banning U.S. citizens from his exchange, because this whole like, oh, we kind of banned them. They just have to use a fucking fake address. Like that's not gonna fly.
Bro.
Oh, you're talking about Sam,
Yeah.
not Portnoy.
Dude,
Yeah, I was
Sam
talking
is
Portnoy.
gonna-
Oh,
my
you were
bad.
talking about Portney? Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude,
No,
Sam
you're good.
paid Biden $30 million for his campaign,
So Q and
That's
Q's
tax
and Spy
write-off.
are ripping right now.
and he's in talks with fucking Miami right now to sponsor their arena.
Q's is on
So,
fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's gonna be okay.
No, Portney. No, I wouldn't call Portney a fucking borderline autistic person. He's stupid, but he's smart.
Exactly.
Is anybody
You
getting
gotta love him.
any-
He's very lovable.
Anybody getting in?
I fucking love that guy, dude.
No, he's
Portnoy
the
just looks like
definition
a
of the
guy who
American
should-
dream.
He's like a
Like-
loud.
What's
jackass,
cool about
you know what I mean?
Portney is he showed that like all these other people that we have that are like the definition of the American dream, they're all tech companies. He showed that you don't have to be a fucking tech company.
He's a content business though, which is in line with tech companies from
Yeah,
a
it is in
recurring
line,
revenue
yeah.
standpoint.
Used his personality to his advantage. He's a smart guy.
The fact he hasn't been canceled yet is miraculous, to be honest.
Easy money. That was Chip's call, and it was a fantastic call. And yes, it is printing. I think Chip is still holding that.
What are we talking about?
Are you still holding that Riot play?
Oh, yeah, dude. I'm gonna cash out on that.
Yeah, easy money.
Yeah.
Are you in chat? I don't know if you're in chat.
Guys, look at Apple.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, that
Ripping.
thing's ripping, dude.
Anybody getting into this Nick Van Hofwen thing?
Q's on fire right now.
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a Aoki pack. It's $500, only
Yeah, dude, there's only
135.
135 of them. Why would I not enter this? For
GameStop is
$500?
dropping. That's probably why the markets are fucking ripping too.
I mean, we're not going to get it, but I'd like to try. Yeah, if you get one,
GameStop's
it'll
getting
usually-
slaughtered. It's funny. It's funny because AMC is ripping and GameStop's getting slaughtered.
We decoupled today.
AMC has news though.
AMC isn't a meme anymore. It's real, dude.
That AABB is ripping.
Yo, C's, I would go for the packs. I will go for the packs.
Why wouldn't you?
Yeah. Well,
I'm currently sitting here making more
asking.
accounts. So.
What packs you guys talking about?
this
on
Caesar
Nifty.
posted a link.
I think I'm gonna hold my Q calls for tomorrow and the Apple too. Everything looks good. I can't find a reason to close. What do you think?
They all look good, especially with Q's ripping into close.
Caesar, are these
Yeah.
today? These packs?
yeah,
all
I
right.
wasn't planning to close any of this shit.
yeah.
All
This,
right, boys.
it's with all they're dropping with all the other stuff today. But yeah, only 100 and something, 500 bucks.
135.
Yeah, and you get a chance to get one of the real rare ones. I was just asking because I don't want to make a same mistake I made last
It's
time.
$135.
Yo, if there's a limited edition, you should
500.
try to get it.
Oh, that's not bad.
But you won't likely get it, but if you do get it, you know.
Dude, if you get this rare minty kitty,
Is that
Except
drop?
for the ones that were like super expensive that you made the mistake.
Is that
on.
drop today?
Yeah.
I might need to put my card back on. I just deleted my card.
The
Yo,
drop-
Airbnb looks good.
Yeah, I was running in a close.
Still looks good.
Y'all gotta be crazy if you don't own FTT. Honestly, it's look at the market cap on it versus Binance, and look at how big it is and how big it's getting. But a lot of that is from Americans. That's
I
the thing.
accidentally put my entire account in FTT when it was like 20, and I was like, oh fuck, and then I closed it.
Ugh. Ugh.
I have 70% of my account in FTT.
That's the fucking way, bro. Like, how can that fail?
Where do you think it's going to, Deja? I meant JMA.
100.
Yeah, that's what
easy.
Dime said the other day. That's when I logged it too.
I got spot though. I don't have a an open long. I'm
You
staked.
fucking stake too, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that's the fucking play.
I hate to even say this, but silver actually looks decent.
Don't touch it.
I'm already in. I'm fucking balls
I
deep.
went and looked like an asshole. It does look pretty good.
It's up 1.5% today.
Dude, these little mint kitties, these pack looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I like this stuff today. Actually, some pretty cool shit.
What did I just get filled on?
Hey, these packs are going to be the same way, right? Where you just drawing type of deal. Like you have a certain amount of time to fill it out.
I believe so.
This is drawing, same as the other one. We'll probably get 45 minutes to do it.
Yeah.
No big deal. I'm not buying any more open editions for a while, unless it's like already in the marketplace and like I think it's gonna show value. You know?
I just got partially filled on my big C play. I'm trying to sell. I'm selling 45 puts for April 16th. It only partially filled me because the volume is dog shit.
Fucking big C. That big sizzle.
Yeah, Chip? What do you think of this Nate Hill shit? Or not?
So, question: does the daily now close an hour after the markets close?
What are you smoking?
Yes.
What did you just say?
Yes.
Well, I'm looking at
Yes.
ES, and it
You just blew
shows
my
there's an
mind out
hour
on
and
that.
7 minutes left on the daily timer.
Like what?
Literally
We
just
haven't
blew my brain
updated
out.
them yet. We went forward an hour.
No, the futures will still. The market never changes. Daylight savings does not. It does not change how the market is traded. The futures will do the same exact thing they do every day.
Right,
Okay.
but we changed an hour on our time.
What the fuck are you guys talking about?
Blew my brain out, dude.
Daylight
The market,
savings
the
time.
market will
It
close
doesn't change.
on ES. The market will close at the same time it always does, in accordance
Yes.
to the actual market, and then it will reopen at 6 like it always does.
Yeah. But what he was saying is that okay.
No, it does
It's-
not. It will not change. It will stay open until like, what is it, like 4:30 or something. It has the little maintenance thing, and then it comes back at 6.
The confusing part is that technically the market is opening an hour later, even though it's the correct time as far as the time that we go by.
Yeah, the 15-minute candles on SPY and Qs that just printed are absolutely absurd.
Yep.
Beautiful.
So the timers on TradingView may be wrong because they haven't updated as far as
Yeah, the timers on TradingView is wrong on a lot of shit. So for the most part, just don't trust TradingView on anything.
Okay, this is the only reason why I asked.
Yeah, no. For the most part, literally don't trust TradingView.
You can see where I was confused.
No, you're good.
TradingView's fucking toxic, dude.
Yeah, I know. They used to be fine, but then their earnings started being bad.
Their earnings, yeah, their earnings are
Their
brutal.
dividends are fucking dog shit. Everything's wrong.
everything is ripping right now.
Yeah, everything started ripping. What the fuck was there? Did
Trade sideways
Biden
all
just say
day.
something?
Fake everyone the fuck out. Send it.
Yeah, Smoochie ABB is fucking tearing.
Yes, sir.
You know what's also tearing?
Your pants?
Apple.
Your underwear, C's?
No, it already has holes in it.
My girlfriend yells at me because I still have some underwear that have fucking holes in them. She's like, "Why the fuck do you keep those?"
Dude, I
That's
fucking
ridiculous.
wore a pair of underwear on the plane that had fucking, like the balls wear out the middle. Fucking worst, dude.
I think my underwear are literally like 5 sizes too fucking small, but they're so old and they're so stretchy that they still fucking do the job.
Yeah.
Fucking hilarious.
I just bought a bunch of new underwear at fucking that Duluth Trading Co.
Yeah, Duluth. Yeah.
Buck naked.
Dude, I just buy everything off
So
fucking
comfortable.
Amazon so that like I don't run out of underwear. I just like have a pack on order every 2 weeks.
Holy hell! What is?
Every 2 weeks, I don't buy underwear every. I buy
Two
underwear.
I don't have
years.
to wash them.
Every 20 years.
I don't have to wash them.
Why is the market pumping so high? That's some
You don't
big
wash your
fat-
you don't wash your underwear?
I mean, I put it in the hamper, but sometimes it takes time, bro.
You just throw them out?
Sometimes.
I used to know this guy, dude. He's a
I also
fucking.
like loose stuff. I don't know, man.
Used to work with this guy, just a lazy piece of shit, dude. Whenever he had dirty dishes, he just throw them out, dude. I was like, why don't you
What
just
the
buy
fuck?
fucking? I was like, why don't you just buy like paper shit then? He's like, because if I have people over, I don't want to look like a scumbag. I'm like, well, you are a scumbag.
We used to do that in college, Jamie.
Bro, it's not that hard.
No, dude, he would literally just fucking throws them straight in the garbage can.
Look at NQ. It's his freaking Chad Kendall.
Oh, it's going straight up.
Clueless. How exactly do you just continuously lose pairs of underwear?
I don't know. I mean, sometimes there's
Law
a lot
lizards,
of them.
man.
He does a lot of
Sometimes
dabs.
I travel, you know what I mean? Like when I travel, sometimes I like forget stuff. I don't know.
He does
It's
a
weird, I
lot
don't
of
really
dabs.
lose anything else, but for some reason I
Guys,
always get missing.
Clueless loses because of dabs. That's why he forgets his fucking underwear.
But I don't forget anything else. Like, I mean, I don't lose anything. I don't lose my keys. I don't like nothing. Only that. I don't know why. And socks, of course.
You might have a stalker, dude. He might be sneaking in and fucking stealing it to sniff.
I don't know. I always lose socks too, though. Like same shit, I guess.
ES is about to put in an all-time high.
I lose socks too, but I end up finding.
Spy just put in a new all-time
I have
high.
lots
Well, that's
of
because
socks.
when you're carrying
Yes.
your clothes to your fucking wash and dryer, they fall out and you never find them.
ES is about to 3 points away from putting in a new high.
This is a bad look for the stream. Like everything's hitting all time highs, and we're fucking talking about Clueless's underwear losing problem.
Good sign. What are
I
you talking
think
about?
if they've watched my stream for the past like 2 months, they've realized we're just off our rockers.
Join the racist.
Green boys.
We made so much money last year, and then in January we don't care anymore. We just fucking talk about random shit.
Dude, remember
You just
when we
gotta
were
make.
doing Crush? All we did was talk about random shit.
You gotta make.
Hopefully,
I'm
Punk
so-
Mania held on to those fucking calls. He's up big right now. Yep, there he is.
The spy lottos were down like
I'm holding.
50%. Now they're
Easy
in the
money, man. In the money too.
I'm holding.
This was a pretty good day in the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a
Didn't
pretty
make
good
ton,
day.
but I didn't even have that much invested anyway, so it was pretty good.
Clueless, you could buy more underwear.
I'm already doing that. I need to be able to afford more Moon-Cats. That's my fucking problem right now.
Oh God.
2 points
Fucking
from
Moon-
all-time high.
These
Deja,
320s
right?
for April 1st that I have on the queues are fucking printing right now.
Deja,
We
I'm gonna
could get
hold
there
this.
this week.
Deja,
What's up?
I'm holding these.
Yeah, looks good. Agar said, yeah, you pay like $200 or something a month to hear guys talk about everything except for stocks. That's accurate.
Guy needs to upgrade his fucking membership.
Look at that insane freaking Chad Kendall on Qs. NQ.
Yeah, all-time high, baby.
We go through waves, man. Like for the first hour of the day, we're only talking about stocks, and then it hits closer to lunchtime. We don't talk about anything.
Yes.
but like food.
Yes, just hit a new all-time high. Yes.
And then like 1 or 2 o'clock before power hour, we talk about fucking literally anything.
You also get access to the exclusive NFT chat.
Yeah, we talk about NFTs a lot. If it makes
There's
money,
the
we
bell.
talk about it.
Hell yeah.
NFTs have made so much money. Anyone who's been lucky enough to listen to us.
There's the bell, boys.
Nice. All right, guys.
Disgustingly bullish close.
Great day today. Yeah.
So, what do you think about Palantir's close?
I like it, man. It's looking really bullish. It had a 5-minute ascending triangle, failed downward, ended up being a fake out, and then really strong close. It's probably gonna rip tomorrow. Maybe 27 tomorrow, 27.50.
I think I'm just gonna ride this out until my options aren't underwater.
Yeah, you should be fine.
Deja.
What's up?
Do you mind looking at SOS?
All right, guys.
I'm curious.
I'm beat. I'll see you tomorrow. Great day.
Have a
today.
good one.
Finally.
Later, dude.
Yeah,
I
thanks.
mean, there's an
Bye.
obvious target there, but
Au revoir.
There we go.
Look
Oh,
at
wow.
SOS, you said?
Yeah.
It closed above VWAP, which is at like $8, so that's looking really good. Let me see if there's any pivots here. No 4-hour, no daily. There's a 1-hour pivot at 827. You got to break that. If it breaks 827, it should rip pretty easily.
Hey Deja, how do you think those two closed today? EE and
Really good. AABB closed above VWAP, really strong. You'll probably get 34 cents tomorrow, or within this week. And then the E one closed above VWAP as well, so they both look really good.
The E one though, that's pretty much in discovery though, isn't it? At this point,
Pretty much. If you just ignore that fucking stupid wick that it had, it's
that wick came when all the other ones just wicked up. Remember that was with the last time.
Yeah. No, it's
Look at
pretty
yes.
much in price discovery.
Yes is in price discovery right now.
Yeah.
wow, low key did 4%.
PLTR
today.
keeps testing the 200 SMA on the 5-minute. Yeah, it's got a lot of resistance around here. Tesla looks good. You're closing right under a lot of resistance though. I'd feel a lot better on Tesla above like 725.
All right, I'll catch you guys later.
Yeah, have a good one.
Take it easy.
Hey, there you go, balls. If you guys, I started ranking people again. I forgot to do that for a while. If you guys post screenshots of your percentage gains, our ranking system is bronze 10% of your account in 1 week, silver is 20, gold is 30, platinum is 50, diamond is 100. So like
you
balls,
just post that at the end of the week.
yeah, or you can post it like any time during the week. Like if you've made any of those percentages during the week, I'll rank you. You're already diamond stonk, so it doesn't matter.
Nice.
You're already the highest.
So it's just on individual trades or on
your
account
account,
value or
on your
just-
account.
What is it?
Yeah.
10%, then 20%?
Yeah,
then
10,
30?
20, 30, 50, 100. And then we have an emerald, which I need to find out who's the highest. And I need to award that. Emerald is the highest percentage gains in the Discord.
Also comes with the sweater.
Yeah. Yeah, so balls just posted 26%, so that is silver. I'm gonna give you a silver rank. And that changes
26% today?
it changes your color. That's basically all it does.
Clueless wants to know that if
You cut out.
I said Clueless.
You cut out again. You like that push to talk, huh?
Fuck push to talk. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I said Clueless wants to know if he ever achieves diamond, does he get a free pair of underwear?
He probably does. I'll give him a pair.
Nice.
Knitted.
I thought about making you guys like a diamond lounge where only the diamond people could talk, but I feel like that'd be a little
That's classist.
Pretentious.
yeah, it's a little dickheadish.
Would someone say a little racist?
Of course I did.
I think he said class.
Classist.
Yeah.
Classist.
No, I said racist, but whatever.
I said classist.
Yeah, we actually have a lot of diamond members now. Let me see how many we have.
No, or
I like
degenerate
seeing you
option
guys fucking
cookies.
like seeing you guys improve.
Well, wait a
Rolls, let me see. Diamond, we have 16 diamond people. So we've had 16 people in here make over 100% of their account in 1 week.
Like I definitely had a 30% plus week, like back when we were doing pennies, but I I don't, I didn't know.
Yeah, it's all good. If you guys post the screenshots, I'll get you sorted.
Hey, wait a minute. When everybody hit those fucking 100% gains on my pennies, what color do I get?
You don't get dick. You gotta have it yourself.
You get black.
Is there a screenshotable way to find weekly gains in TDA?
That I'm not sure of. We have people use TD all. Oh, it's the mobile app.
Yeah, use that.
I'm out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, have a good one.
Later.
I don't think anybody's beating my weekly gains on TDA. I had 180%.
Never say never.
Yeah. It's funny. I withdrew a bunch of money, so now it makes me look like I'm fucking terrible. It says I'm negative 20%. It doesn't
Dude,
factor
I
in.
hate that shit on TD.
It's so
Every time
stupid.
you deposit or withdraw, so
Yeah.
dumb.
Yeah, Schwab does the same thing. I moved in some money, and now it makes it look like I made a bunch of money and I didn't make it.
Yeah, it doesn't factor in your fucking your withdrawals and deposits.
I wish there were withdrawals in fucking February instead of actual losses.
Yeah.
My issue is it makes me feel like I didn't fuck up. And I
Yeah.
don't like that.
How do you do it on TDA?
You can't.
You can only see the
today's
current.
change.
You can only see the current. You can do 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. You can't do like. I don't think you can do weeks. Can you put in a time? Let me see.
You can't even do 1 month or any of that.
Yeah, but where does it
I
show?
can do that.
I don't see where it says percentage.
Yeah, it
TD.
doesn't do the percentage.
You have to click the S&P 500 or Dow Jones buttons at the bottom, and it turns it into a percentage because it's comparing you to the market. The TDA app, not the Thinkorswim app. You guys see what I'm talking about?
I did 150%.
There you go.
Right? I think that's 150%.
JMA, I just banged out like 40 new accounts on Nifty.
Nice, man. Yeah, they got rid of like the multi. You can't use the same card anymore.
Yeah, you can't use the same card. They've done a lot of stuff actually to combat this. So
How the fuck are you?
That what?
You have that many cards, Chip?
I have over 1,000 credit cards.
He's got digital cards.
No, but
fuck
I have
is-
1,000 physicals
How do they?
because
how does that even
I have
work?
business credit cards and I add authorized users.
Oh,
See, before I did this, I used to buy discounted gift cards and resell them. And in order to do that, those were also restricted per credit card number. So back in the day, you used to be able to call Amex and have them add 100 authorized users under your business card, all under your name. I don't think they let you do it anymore, but because of that, I have just an absolute fuckload of credit cards.
yeah, but they all give you different numbers.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it was a secret, and then I think they pulled it.
All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it on that. You guys on stream, appreciate you guys hanging out. I'll be streaming again tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern, same time as always. I will be releasing analysis in Discord later today, probably around 7, 8 o'clock. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. If you guys want to check out the Discord, go to oasistrading.io/Discord, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:30 in the morning. Peace out.